Congratulations on making the decision to apply to Ontario Tech University. In this video, we're going to show you how to apply to the Bachelor of Arts College to University Pathway Program, or Advanced Entry, into Educational Studies. All applications are submitted through the Ontario University's Application Centre, or OUAC. For this video, we're going to assume that you have already created an account with OUAC. If you don't yet have an account, please check the description of this video for a link to a guide on creating an OUAC account. From the undergraduate section of the OUAC website, you're first going to click on the yellow button that says Login or Apply. This will open a new tab where you can log into your OUAC account and get started. Your account might look a little bit different from mine since I've already done a couple of applications, but you're going to start an undergraduate application. Before you're able to select your program choices, you must first fill out your personal details and background. In personal details, there are 4 subsections: your basic information, citizenship and language details, the applicant diversity census, and your contact information. In background, you are going to fill in educational details and employment activities. For education, OUAC will ask you to provide information about all institutions where you have registered in one or more secondary or post-secondary courses. After that, you're ready to apply to our program. Click on My Choices, and then Add Program. If you don't see it on your screen already, scroll down to Ontario Tech University and click our school logo. You'll want to read the information provided, and then you can scroll down and hit the Next button. If you've applied to Ontario Tech before, please fill in the year you applied and the year you registered if applicable. If you've never applied to Ontario Tech before, you can leave these fields as they are and click Next. This will load the entire list of undergraduate programs available for application at Ontario Tech University. If you scroll down, you will find the Mitch and Leslie Frazer Faculty of Education. However, this first list is for our 4-year programs. You already have a college diploma, so you don't need the full 4 years. So we're going to continue scrolling all the way down to the bottom, past all of the faculties, where it says College to University Transfer Programs. Here you will see 5 Educational Studies Advanced Entry programs. You have the General Advanced Entry if you don't want to choose a specialization at this time, or you can apply directly to one of our 4 specialization options: Digital Technologies, Early Childhood Studies, Equity, Diversity and Inclusion, and Adult Learning with Technology. We'll soon also have Special Education available on this list as well. If you'd like to learn more about these specializations, please see the links in the description box below. I'm going to click on Adult Learning with Technology Advanced Entry, but you can of course pick whichever specialization you want. On this screen, OUAC will give you some information about our program and the specialization you chose, as well as some helpful links for you to take a look at. Once you're done with that, you can scroll down, and at some points you'll be able to choose what term you wish to enroll in, but because of when we're recording this, we can only see September. And then you also have to choose whether you want to enroll as a full-time or a part-time student. If you anticipate only taking 1 or 2 courses per semester, choose part-time. If you plan to take 3 to 5 courses per term, pick full-time. Please note that you're not bound by this choice, and you can change your mind later on. Once we're done that, we're going to go ahead and click on Save Program. You can, of course, add other choices to your application here, and then when you're ready, you can click on Next and add requests for transcripts from your previous institutions. Once you've finished adding all of your transcript requests, don't forget to hit Next to go to the Review and Payment section of the website. On that page, you'll be able to check over your application, make sure it's complete, and submit it for OUAC's processing.